this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which of course means another color. Boy, I am so glad to be back. I missed you guys so much and I could not wait to share this beautiful, gorgeous pink that goes by the name of Venice with you. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game.
Let's mix it up.
Okay, lipstick besties, let's get right into it. So first things first, I'm going in with my world famous lipstick base alongside my Isododecane remix, and you can get this from Veryveelobeauty.com. And of course, you guys know that this full recipe will be listed on my Patreon. I have been active on my Patreon for the last few weeks, and I want to welcome all of my new patrons as well as my current patrons. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate the love and support. First things first, other than the base, I'm going in with my titanium dioxide. As you know, this is our white pigment powder, and this is going to control how light our pink is and also be able to allow our pink to pop. So I'm just folding that in first with my spatula, then going right behind it with my hand mixer. So the next color I'll be using is the FD&C red number 40 alum lake, and I'm going to fold that in with my spatula just so that it doesn't create a powder cloud all over our work area. And be sure, you guys, to always wear a mask. Of course, if I haven't mentioned it, please wear a mask, and also wear a hairnet as well, as we are dealing with cosmetics and we want to be as professional as we possibly can. Now I'm going in with my red FD&C number 27 alum lake, aka pink, and this is really what's going to be responsible for creating those pink tones that we need to make this color possible. This beautiful pink is a very simple color to make, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and finish it up. I'm going to add in my holy grail, my Kaolin Clay, and that's what's going to be responsible for making this color matte alongside the Isododecane remix. What the Kaolin Clay does is it goes in and absorbs all of those oils that are present in the base, making the lipstick mixture we made like a paste. And once it's combined with the Isododecane remix, it's going to turn that paste into a nice liquid cream, which is going to allow us to have a beautiful matte liquid lipstick. For the satin finish instructions to this video, please go to my Patreon where I'll have both recipes listed. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and add this into a syringe. If you're making more than one bottle, a jumbo syringe will obviously be ideal, but since I'm only making one, enough for 1 to 2 bottles, I'll just go ahead and use my smaller syringe. So I'm just loading up my syringe with my spatula and tapping the lipstick down so that it can level itself out. And also a smaller spatula would have been more ideal too, but I just grabbed what was close and sanitized, and there we have it. I went ahead and snipped off the top and the back of a pipette, and I put the most narrow end on the end of my syringe, and I used that as a filler to fill this tube. Now you guys did notice me leave an inch space at the top. That's about a ½ inch, just so that the wand and the stopper can fit into the bottle without it overspilling. So I'm just spraying the bottle down with some 91% alcohol because I want to show you guys these cute little labels that I found, and I want to show you guys how seamless it is to apply them and how it's like a sticker, but it's more like a vinyl cut without a Cricut. This amazing company does it all for you, and it came out absolutely amazing. For those of you who who would like to take that route as far as lipstick labels are concerned. All of the information will be listed on my Patreon as far as the bottle labels. And this lipstick came out absolutely gorgeous. This matte pink beautiful lipstick came out lovely. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye.